Good morning, dear students. Today we will do the important questions of chapter 1. Okay, so coming to the first definition, science, observing, thinking, and doing things to understand the world we live in is called science. Science is to find out the truth behind various things happening around us. Main branches of science, biology, that deals with the study of living organisms, for example plants and animals; chemistry, which deals with the study of matter and its properties, for example chemical reaction; physics, that deals with the interaction of matter and energy, for example motion and force. Next, science is directly proportional to curiosity, which means desire to know something. Coming to the next question, what will be we explore with the help of this book? With the help of this book, we will understand various things related to our daily life, like what should we eat for a healthy life, why should we save water, and various natural phenomena in this beautiful world. Next question is, how can we try to find answers to our questions on our own? We can find answers on our own by using step by step scientific method that involves observation, thinking, doing things to find out the suitable answer. Next question is, what do you mean by scientific method? Scientific method means the systematic steps taken to find out the solution of a particular problem. The steps of scientific method are as follows. Observation, it involves observing something around us which we are not able to understand. It is done by using our sense organs, ear, nose, eyes, tongue, skin. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज थिंकिंग, वी स्टार्ट मेकिंग गेस, साइंटिफिक वे में उसको कहते हैं हाइपोथेसिस फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट द रीज़न. थर्ड, टेस्टिंग, वी अप्लाई आर गेस थ्रू एक्सपेरिमेंट्स एंड कलेक्ट डेटा. Next is analysis. Last step is analysis. Finally, we analyze all the data and try to reach to the final satisfactory reason of that particular problem. So next question is, after all, to be a wise person, you must be a wise person. Why? Answer is, question asking skill is related to critical and active mind. A curious mind indicates a wise person. Curiosity refers to wisdom. Hence, you should inquire about anything that you feel unable to understand. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज साइंस इज़ एवरीवेयर कमेंट. तो इस पैराग्राफ को देख के डरना नहीं है, ये हमारी डेली लाइफ की रूटीन है जो बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग सिंपल वे में आप लिख सकते हो. साइंस इज़ इन्फ्लुएंसिंग एवरीथिंग अराउंड अस. वी विल गिव एग्जाम्पल ऑफ आवर डेली लाइफ रूटीन टू प्रूव दिस स्टेटमेंट. साइंस सब जगह इसको प्रूव करना है. वी वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एंड ब्रश आर टीथ. ब्रिसल्स ऑफ ब्रश आर फाइबर्स. We use toothpaste that is made of chemical. For bathing, we use soap that is also chemical substance. We have our breakfast containing variety of plant and animals product. We go to school by car, bus, which are innovation of science. Everything we use in our school bag are related to science again. Each and every activity with or around us is related to science. Hence we can say science is everywhere. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट आर द यूजेस एप्लीकेशन ऑफ साइंस और डिस्क्राइब द रोल प्लेड बाय साइंस इन आवर लाइफ. Science has made our life easy. Some of the most common uses of science are listed as below. First one is provision of food. India is a highly populated country. Without latest agricultural practices discovered by science, it is not possible to feed such a huge population. Second one is medicinal importance. In the ancient time, people used to die due to lack of proper treatment of a particular disease. But nowadays, science is helping to save many lives by providing variety of medicines. Third है transport field. The innovations of science like bike, car, scooter, train, aeroplane have made our movement easy from one place to another. Last second last is everyday task. We use scientific principles in our daily life task like cooking, washing, understanding weather, etc. Last one is role of technology in the field of education. With the help of smart classes, students are enjoying studies. Smartphones, internet facility has made learning more easy. Next one is, does science and technology are interdependent or not? Explain your answer. साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी का आपस में कोई रिश्ता है या नहीं है, एक्सप्लेन करो. साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी आर जस्ट लाइक द टू साइड्स ऑफ अ कॉइन. साइंस प्रोवाइड्स अ बेस फॉर टेक्नोलॉजी. इट प्रोवाइड्स नॉलेज विच इज़ यूज्ड by the technology to make tools or systems. New innovations of science upgrade the field of technology. For example, scientific study of human body and various disease has led to the discovery of new medical technology like MRI, फुल फॉर्म होती है मैग्नेटिक रेजोनेंस इमेजिंग, CT स्कैन, कंप्यूटेड टोमोग्राफी स्कैन एंड वैक्सीन्स etc. Thus we can say science and technology are interdependent or interrelated. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज साइंस इज़ अ ब्लेसिंग और कर्स. विज्ञान वरदान है या अभिशाप? कमेंट करके बताओ. साइंस इज़ नॉट अ ब्लेसिंग और अ कर्स फ्रॉम इट्स ओरिजिन. It is the use of science that decide whether it will result as a blessing or a curse. Science has made our life much more easier by playing important role in almost every aspect of our life, like field of medicines, daily life activities, crop production, etc. But at the same time, we are well aware about environmental damage, about the weapons, especially nuclear weapons, okay, toxicity in the food, etc. So in the conclusion we can say that science is neutral. Its impact depend on how it is used. दो क्वेश्चंस हैं बेटा जो हमने स्किप कर दिए थे फर्स्ट पेज नंबर पे. व्हाई द स्टार्स शाइन. इन द कोर ऑफ स्टार्स देयर हैपन nuclear reaction in which hydrogen is converted into helium. In this reaction, energy is released which is visible in the form of light. Okay, so how a flower bloom? Blooming of flower depends upon environmental signals like light, temperature, which decide their opening and closing. So these are all about the questions of chapter 1. Now I have written the important terms, important statements which we have used in chapter. और इन terms को आपको अच्छे से डेली एक बार नज़र मार लो, आपको लर्न हो जाएंगी. इनमें से आपसे पूछ सकते हैं MCQs, फिलअप्स और ट्रू फॉल्स. ठीक है, तो आपको स्टेटमेंट लर्न होगी तो आप इजीली उनको कर सकते हो अटैम्प्ट. साइंस इज़ एवरीवेयर, बहुत ईजी हैं, सारी हमने पढ़ रखी हैं. साइंस इज़ एवरीवेयर, साइंस हैज़ अनएंडिंग लिस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन, साइंस इज़ अ जाइंट जिगसॉ पजल, न्यू डिस्कवरी चेंज आवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, लाइफ इज़ पॉसिबल ओनली ऑन प्लानट अर्थ, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म नीड्स फूड एंड वाटर टू ग्रो, cuisines are made by using different spices and different cooking methods, temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness, it is measured by using thermometer. Science helps us to separate different materials from one another. Things beyond earth are the sun, the moon and stars. Scientific method involve observation, thinking and doing experiments. Any person following scientific method is known to solve a problem is a scientist. Curiosity is the foundation of science. Galaxy consists of stars, dust particles and gases that are held together by gravitational force. So मैंने पूरा ट्राई किया है कि सिंपल से सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आप बच्चों को आंसर प्रोवाइड कर सकूँ. होपफुली ये सब आपको ईजी होंगे लर्न करने में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.